Anis Mohammed, Associate Professor of Zoology, and I'm here to introduce two important clubs under Part 5 activities for the students of first year who have joined this year. To bring out social responsibility of our students in Jamal Mohammed College, we have these two clubs, Gender Champion Club and the Students Ex-Nora Club. And I am the staff advisor for these two clubs. And I'm now here to say the few words about these two, the activities and importance of these two clubs, so that you can choose any one of the club for this academic year, and you can join this club and you can work for the 4 semester first year and second year under these any one of the groups. The first club is Gender Champion Club. The Gender Champion Club of our college was established on 2011. The main goal of this Gender Champion Club is to ensure active participation and accountability of students of Jamal Mohammed College in creating and enabling environment for gender mainstreaming for a conducive campus active. The main objective of Gender Champion Club is to make younger generation aware of various gender related issues and challenges prevailing in the society. The club also accomplish the students to shape the students to work against gender discrimination and other societal problems. The Gender Club endeavors to eradicate the gender imbalance in the society and addresses issues related to gender problems. The Gender Champion Club in our college, the students work to reduce gender inequalities in employment and providing social protection for women and to participate and to strengthen the professional advancement. Gender champions will create awareness among the younger generation on various gender issues that prevails in our society and to eliminate the ill consequences. The students of Gender Champion Club work against gender discrimination, harassment of women, and all other social problems related to gender. You, the first year students, have ample opportunities to render the valuable service in making a better, not only the better college, better society and better nation. Our gender champions are responsible leaders in our college who facilitate an enabling environment with our college where girls are treated with dignity and respect. The main aim of this Gender Champions Club is to make the young boys and girls gender sensitive and to create positive social normal that value the girls and their rights. And these are the main objectives of the Gender Champion Club. And students who are those interested in joining and creating awareness among genders who are welcome to join the Gender Champion Clubs, and you can work. The second important club is the Student Ex-Nora Club. The Student Ex-Nora Club of our college was established in 2010. The Student Ex-Nora Club of our college extends awareness on the need for clean and pollution-free environment. Clean and pollution-free environment. The Ex-Nora Club with the aim to realize a cleaner, greener, and more eco-friendly environment in our college by our students. Every month, our students of Students Ex-Nora conduct regular on-campus and off-campus programs. on various environmental issues like global warming, plastic awareness, environmental pollution, plantation, afforestation and their importance, solid waste management, vermicompost, campus cleaning, and even temple cleaning. Not only campus cleaning, even temple cleaning. The Exnora Club, the word Exnora is derived from excellent, novel, and radical novel ideas in solving environmental problems by creating awareness on the environmental issues, pollution, and degradation. The first year students who are most welcome to join any one of the club, either Gender Champion Club or Students Exnora Club, and they can work for 4 semesters, 2 years, to make the betterment of you, an individual, of college, society, and the nation. Thank you.